Welcome to the channel today. We will explore the hidden journey of heavy demolition waste across the busy streets of Tehran. When massive buildings finally collapse into dust, thousands of tons of concrete and steel rubble remain waiting on the ground. Have you ever wondered exactly where all these massive piles of destroyed materials go after the demolition crews finish working? Today we answer that exact question by closely following the incredible daily paths of giant dump trucks operating in Tehran. This is not just simple transportation, but a highly complex logistics operation requiring absolute precision and perfect timing every day. Thousands of heavy vehicle trips occur daily around the city, moving endless amounts of debris away from the construction sites. To prevent massive traffic jams in the bustling capital, an advanced artificial intelligence system schedules every single truck movement perfectly. This smart scheduling algorithm analyzes real-time city traffic data to find the absolute fastest routes for these heavy monsters. Without this digital brain guiding the fleet, the entire urban infrastructure would completely freeze under the weight of demolition trucks. Let us look closely at the loading zone, where powerful backhoe excavators work continuously under the bright morning city sun. These agile machines dig deep into the crushed concrete mountains, lifting massive, heavy scoops of broken rubble into the air. It takes only a few precise minutes for an experienced operator to completely fill a giant waiting dump truck container. The metal bucket scrapes against the broken stones, creating a loud industrial symphony that echoes across the busy demolition site. Dust clouds constantly rise into the sky as tons of material drop heavily into the solid steel bed every second. Each loaded vehicle immediately drives away, quickly making room for the next empty truck waiting in the long, organized line. Through amazing time-lapse photography, we can truly observe this chaotic mountain of debris magically shrinking over a single day. What once seemed like an impossible mess of shattered architecture slowly vanishes, leaving a clean and empty plot of land. The sheer speed of this massive clearing operation highlights the incredible efficiency of modern construction and demolition logistics working together. Now the heavy trucks begin their long journey through the winding streets, carefully navigating tight corners and busy city intersections. Drivers must remain extremely focused, handling these massive loaded vehicles with absolute precision to ensure public safety on the roads. The artificial intelligence system provides constant route updates directly to the digital dashboard, helping drivers avoid sudden, unexpected traffic jams. Every turn is carefully calculated by the central computer, ensuring the continuous flow of materials never stops or slows down. We can see the massive tires rolling over the hot asphalt, carrying the heavy remains of forgotten structures far away. These powerful diesel engines roar loudly as they climb steep hills, pushing forward with incredible strength and relentless mechanical determination. From high above, drone cameras capture the organized convoy of yellow trucks moving like a giant mechanical snake through town. The final destination for this massive convoy is the central recycling station located on the dusty outskirts of the metropolis. Here, the true magic of sustainable, modern engineering begins, transforming useless waste into valuable resources for future urban development projects. Trucks slowly back up to the massive unloading zones, preparing to dump their heavy cargo into the giant receiving pits. Hydraulic lifts activate with a loud mechanical hum, slowly raising the heavy steel beds high into the dusty afternoon air. Tons of broken concrete and twisted metal slide rapidly down, crashing loudly into the deep processing bins waiting far below. Giant conveyor belts immediately catch the falling debris, moving the rough materials steadily toward the massive primary crushing machine units. Inside these powerful crushers, heavy steel jaws clamp down violently, breaking large, solid concrete chunks into much smaller, manageable pieces. The terrifying sound of grinding stone fills the entire facility as the relentless machines chew through tons of hard waste. Powerful magnetic separators hang directly above the moving belts, suddenly pulling hidden steel rebars away from the crushed concrete stream. This recovered metal is carefully collected in separate bins, ready to be melted down and forged into brand new steel. Meanwhile, the remaining crushed stone continues its journey through a series of vibrating screens that sort pieces by exact size. Fine dust falls through the smallest mesh holes, while larger gravel pieces move forward to the secondary crushing equipment stage. Water sprayers continuously mist the sorting area, effectively keeping the hazardous silica dust from spreading into the surrounding breathable air. The final output is a beautiful pile of perfectly sized recycled aggregate, ready to serve the city construction industry again. Engineers test this new material rigorously, ensuring it meets the strict safety standards required for building modern heavy highway foundations. Using recycled concrete for new roads significantly reduces the desperate need to mine fresh natural stone from local mountain quarries. This incredible circular economy model completely transforms how we view demolition waste, turning a massive problem into a sustainable solution. None of this amazing process would be possible without the perfect coordination between human operators and advanced artificial intelligence systems. Let us take a moment to appreciate the highly skilled backhoe operators who start this entire chain of recycling events. Their precise joystick movements control massive hydraulic arms, showing a delicate touch that seems almost impossible for such heavy machinery. They work long, exhausting hours inside dusty cabins, yet their intense focus never wavers during the entire demanding daily shift. Next in this vital chain are the brave truck drivers, navigating dangerous construction zones and extremely heavy city traffic conditions. They pilot these rolling giants with incredible expertise, ensuring every single load safely reaches the designated recycling plant on time. Behind the glowing computer screens sit the brilliant dispatchers, monitoring the artificial intelligence software that perfectly orchestrates this urban symphony. They constantly adjust routes and schedules, solving complex logistical puzzles in real time to keep the massive operation running smoothly. This beautiful synergy between human intuition and machine calculation represents the true absolute peak of modern urban waste management systems. As evening approaches, the bright floodlights turn on, illuminating the massive recycling facility against the darkening sky of the city. The relentless crushing machines never sleep, continuing their loud, hungry work deep into the quiet night under bright artificial illumination. Mountains of freshly processed gravel glow faintly under the lamps, standing tall as proud monuments to human engineering and recycling. Tomorrow morning, a completely different fleet of trucks will arrive here to carry this new material toward fresh construction sites. These recycled stones will soon form the strong, stable foundations of new highways, connecting distant neighborhoods across the expanding metropolis. They might also become the solid base layers for modern skyscrapers, supporting the future ambitious growth of this vibrant capital. It is a beautiful, endless cycle of urban rebirth, where the destroyed past literally builds the foundations of the future. Through advanced artificial intelligence and dedicated hard labor, we have successfully tamed the massive, chaotic aftermath of urban building demolition. Every single piece of broken concrete holds incredible hidden potential, waiting patiently to be crushed and repurposed for better uses. This complex logistics network operates silently in the background, mostly unnoticed by the millions of busy citizens living their lives. Yet without these brave, unsung heroes and their massive, heavy machines, the growing city would simply drown in its waste. We must deeply respect the incredible engineering vision that transformed garbage disposal into a highly profitable and environmentally friendly industry. The journey of a single broken brick perfectly illustrates the remarkable efficiency of modern industrial recycling and smart transportation logistics. From the violent, dusty collapse of an old building to the careful, precise laying of a brand new highway foundation. It is a fascinating mechanical story written in thick diesel smoke, loud grinding gears, and incredibly complex mathematical routing algorithms. Let us look again at the massive dump trucks resting quietly in their dark parking lots after a long day. These giant yellow steel beasts sit silently under the pale moonlight, cooling their hot engines before tomorrow brings more work. Mechanics walk slowly through the rows, carefully inspecting huge tires and checking heavy hydraulic fluids to ensure perfect operational safety. Every minor mechanical issue is fixed immediately overnight, guaranteeing that the vital logistics chain remains unbroken when the sun rises. The artificial intelligence servers also work continuously through the night, processing huge amounts of daily traffic data to optimize routes. It learns from every single traffic delay encountered today, creating even faster and much more efficient delivery schedules for tomorrow. This constant, endless cycle of digital learning and mechanical improvement drives the entire modern demolition industry toward unprecedented operational perfection. We are witnessing a truly remarkable technological revolution in how large modern cities manage their most difficult heavy waste materials. It is a perfect harmony of raw mechanical power, human driving skill, and advanced predictive computer algorithms working seamlessly together. As dawn breaks over Tehran, the first golden rays of sunlight illuminate the massive recycling facility waking up for work. The loud engines roar back to life, sending thick plumes of gray exhaust smoke into the crisp, chilly morning air. A brand new day of intense, heavy hauling begins, promising another incredible display of coordinated logistics across the busy metropolis. Dispatchers quickly send out the first optimized digital route coordinates, guiding the heavy yellow fleet toward fresh urban demolition sites. Excavator operators climb into their elevated glass cabins, grabbing the control joysticks with practiced confidence, ready for another dusty shift. The metal buckets crash down into the rubble once more, restarting the loud, familiar symphony of heavy urban industrial destruction. We watch in absolute awe as these massive machines perform their daily mechanical ballet with surprising grace and extreme efficiency. It is incredibly inspiring to realize that nothing is truly wasted here. Everything finds a new purpose in the city. The crushed remnants of yesterday's broken buildings become the strong foundational stepping stones for tomorrow's amazing modern architectural engineering miracles. This smart logistical framework serves as a brilliant global model for other rapidly expanding cities struggling with heavy demolition waste. By embracing artificial intelligence and strict recycling protocols, we can build much cleaner and significantly more sustainable urban environments everywhere. The tireless journey of these giant dump trucks perfectly symbolizes humanity's constant desire to rebuild, improve, and protect our environment. Next time you drive on a smooth new highway, remember the incredible hidden journey of the recycled stones resting beneath. Remember the highly skilled excavator operators, the brave truck drivers, and the brilliant software engineers who made that road possible? Their combined daily efforts ensure that progress never stops, transforming massive urban destruction into beautiful opportunities for sustainable future growth. We hope you enjoyed this deep, fascinating look into the highly complex world of heavy urban demolition and smart logistics. There are still so many incredible hidden stories waiting to be uncovered in the loud, dusty world of heavy construction. In our next exciting episode, we will explore the massive towering cranes that help build these giant modern steel skyscrapers. You will not want to miss seeing how these incredibly tall machines operate safely miles above the busy city streets. Please make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who love massive machines and modern engineering. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality documentary content about the fascinating industrial world operating quietly all around us. Thank you for watching today. This is the Demolition Worker channel signing off, and we will see you next time.